Mabuhay, bonjour, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, hi, my name is Roma and welcome. And for my returning subscribers, hi guys, thanks for tuning in. So for today's video, it's going to be a special one because as you can see on my background, it's a totally different background because I'm currently on holiday and I am in Sevilla, Spain. And yeah, I wanted to make this video because it is something that quite special because it's something that I bought here and it's a brand from here as well. So I wanted to just share with you my last purchase and give you an immediate first impression about it. So if you want to know more, just stay tuned. Okay guys, so like I've mentioned, I am gonna do an unboxing as well as a first impression video. So it's two videos in one, and I am going to share with you what I have purchased. So without further ado, it's a it's a LOEWE bag. Oh yeah, it's a bag. So for those of you who doesn't know yet, LOEWE is actually a Spanish brand, and I bought a Spanish brand handbag while I'm currently on vacation in Spain. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what I got for myself and just short story. So prior to Sevilla, I went first to Malaga, and I don't think that there's a LOEWE shop in Malaga, so I was kind of like, okay, well, I can't find any LOEWE shop, well that's it. And then coming here in Sevilla, I thought that I might be able to find a LOEWE either at the airport or in a shop which called El Corte Inglés, but apparently no LOEWE there as well, just perfume and such. So I was just walking with my husband, just checking out the city, and then at far I saw LOEWE and I was like, no, we have to go there, I have to check if they have this handbag. And I was able to try them, the two sizes where I was debating and the two colors that I was debating, and at the end I chose this one. So okay, stop talking, and then I'm just going to show you what I got. So of course they just gave me a paper bag as well as a dust bag without any box whatsoever, because anyways I can't use the box because I cannot put it in my luggage. So the salesperson, who was very nice, very polite, very kind of whatsoever, he told me, no problem, I'm going to put it in a dust bag and everything so you can bring it without any problem in your handbag, well, in your luggage. So it came in this beautiful big white cream dust bag with a LOEWE tag here. And then I guess, well, try to guess what handbag it is. Put it in the comment down below if you'll be able to guess. But yeah, just going to open it. And then it's well, it's none other than this LOEWE basket bag, and I chose it in a color brown and in the size medium. So I have been able to try the small one in this color as well as the medium, and also in the white one, small and medium too. But at the end of the day, I was like, you know what, it's better to get the medium one instead of the small one, because when I tried the small, it was really small. I tried it in the lowest position as well as the highest position. The small one is really just so small. And then for the medium one, the salesperson was really nice, and even my husband told me that when I asked him, oh, do you have any other you know, item that I can check and try? So yeah, no problem. And he took 2 other basket bag for me to check them out and try them. And I took the size where, you know, it's more how you say it, less weird of a shape, because they are handmade. So not each bag is really, you know, they're not identical at all. So this one, I think, well, we think that was the best. The color also was perfect. Well, the color is perfect. And then just to show you, for those of you who don't know how it looks like, so it looks like this in front with the LOEWE logo. I think embossed or something, and then there's this, you know, hand stitch, well, or white stitches, which are really nicely aligned. And then at the back, it's just the normal, you know, basket raffia bag, and then inside it's just a big hole. And then on the side here you have also the logo of LOEWE. The hardware is in silver hardware, and my husband told me, yeah, it's so open, how will you use it? Normally LOEWE, they sell you know, small let's say dust bags or whatsoever. So what I'll be doing is I'm going to use this this dust bag. I'm gonna put it inside the bag, and then I can put my stuff inside this dust bag, and then I can close it, and it will be like that. See? And it will be protected, so no one can put their hands inside my bag. Yeah. And then what else? So it came with a small tag where they mentioned that's what that's mentioned in here, all the specific care instructions. And then so the name is Basket Bag Natural, and it cost me 395 euros for the size medium. And so yeah, that was the unboxing. And as for a first impression, it's so nice. I like it. I'm just going to show you, if I can, wait a second, how it looks like on me. So you can wear it like so, on the crook of your arm, or as a handbag. So as you can see, it's open here and it's open there, but yeah, I think it's a lot better than the small one, than the medium one. And also it's a very good of course summer bag. And then I chose the brown one because it will really it will suit my different outfits, I think, a lot easier than the white one, I suppose. Well, it will goes well with my Hermes sandals as well as my Chloe sandals too, so that's a good thing. And yeah, so as a first impression, I'm very happy to be able to check the different bags and to choose one that I really like, and also to verify that the size, if it's the small or the medium, and the color as well. So it was really an advantage that I have been able to check this at a LOEWE boutique here in Spain, because unfortunately in Belgium we do not have any LOEWE boutiques. We can only order online, but you know, online you're not always sure if the product that will arrive at your place are ones that you really like. So there you go. So that was my unboxing and first impression of that LOEWE Basket Bag in medium. So there you go, guys. So that was my unboxing and first impressions of the LOEWE handbag. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up because it will help my channel, as well as if you have any feedbacks or comments, don't hesitate to put them in the comment section down below. If you also like this kind of, out of the blue unboxing first impression video, let me know about that so I know if you want me to do in the future this kind of videos as well. And for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click that subscribe button as well as that ding-a-ling-a-ling bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And so other than that, I wish you all a pleasant day or a pleasant evening, and take care and see you on the next video. Bye!